Hey, what's going on, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today we're going to dive into Title 15, Chapter 41, which covers consumer credit protection. Let's get to it. So, Chapter 41 of Title 15 in the U.S. Code focuses on consumer credit protection. So it basically plays a significant role in safeguarding the rights and interests of consumers when it comes to credit transactions. Now, consumer credit plays such a crucial role in our economy. It allows individuals to access funds for various purposes, such as purchasing a home, buying a car, getting funded for education, getting funded for business, credit cards, whatever have you. However, it's important to have these protections in place to ensure fair and transparent credit practices. Now, Chapter 41 provides a legal framework that promotes fairness, transparency, and just the overall responsibility in consumer credit transactions. It includes various laws and provisions aimed at protecting consumers from deceptive practices and ensuring access to accurate information. So, one key law within Chapter 41 is the Truth in Lending Act, TILA. This act requires lenders and creditors to disclose important information about credit terms and costs to consumers, such as interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. It enables consumers to make informed decisions and avoid hidden surprises. Another big law found in this chapter is the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So it regulates collection, accuracy, and use of consumer credit information by consumer reporting agencies. It gives consumers the right to access their credit reports, dispute information on your credit report, and pretty much protect your credit worthiness. So, Chapter 41 also covers the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, which prohibits credit discrimination based on factors like race, religion, gender, marital status, or national origin. It makes sure that everyone has equal access to credit opportunities. So, the last one I'll briefly discuss in this video, because this hotel, air conditioning is starting to run or whatever, but is the FDCPA, which is the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. So this one sets out guidelines for debt collectors and protects consumers from abusive and unfair debt collection practices. It outlines the rules they must follow when communicating with consumers and collecting debts. Can't say it enough. Understanding Chapter 41 is very important for consumers. It empowers us with knowledge and protections when dealing with credit transactions. It promotes fair practices. It prevents discrimination. It ensures transparency throughout the lending process. Now you know what's going on. You know what disclosure you're supposed to be receiving. You know what a consumer reporting agency can and can't do. You know what a creditor can and can't do. It's very important to understand this chapter. So, next time you're applying for a loan or reviewing your consumer report, just dealing with debt collectors, remember that Chapter 41 of Title 15 provides the legal framework to protect your rights and interests as a consumer. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Hope y'all found this overview of Title 15, Chapter 41, which is consumer credit protection, informative and useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Hit that bell notification as well so you can get notifications whenever I drop one. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Safe travels.